Hey everyone, this is Leah the Bunny 123. Today I am going to be doing trade attempts for my two spiked wristbands. One is a diamond spiked wristband and the other one's a rare spiked wristband. So I'll show you them. These two right here, I'm going to put them on trade. Okay, so they're on trade here. I'm gonna be going to Jamal Township and see what we get. Okay, so I am now in Jamal Township. Oh my god, I gotta move. So I wanna see if anyone trades me. Still trying to get people to trade me. Right now, no one's trading me. No one. Still, no one's trading. Oh look, I think, wait, what? Oh my god, gellyjones is on? Alright. gellyjones is on. Oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god. So where is gellyjones right now? I'm gonna try it. Nope, I can't. Sorry, this is just really cool. They're never gonna see this. Sorry about this. Obviously, so this is so cool. I just saw gellyjones. Oh my god. I think I just might have gotten in one of her videos. Oh, I wish I... keep doing this. Yeah, they probably let it. Sorry, I'm gonna pause the video. Okay, so this person traded me 4 rooms for this, but I feel like that's not worth it. And I sort of added a few more things on trade, but right now I'm in gellyjones' den because she happens to be online, but I don't bother looking for her. I saw her. You saw it on video. She was there in Jamal Township. But anyway, let's try to get some more trades before I end the video. So, yeah. Matt55 trades me a witch hat for a Jamal Day top hat. I don't know, sorry. I am still waiting. It's been a long time. And gellyjones is now offline. But it was really cool. I did saw her and I caught it on film, I think. But still, no one's treating me. Oh. I know it's like the same one, but, it's magenta, I guess, so maybe, wait, what? Okay, now I gotta put that on straight because I already have one of those. Alright, anyway, please like and subscribe. Please. I really want to get to 100 subscribers. And once I reach 100 subscribers, which it will be in a long time, I'll be doing a giveaway. If I ever get 100 subscribers. Okay, no, 50. When I get 50, I'll be doing my first giveaway. So, please subscribe. And if you do, you might get something in the giveaway that will happen in like 100 years. Okay, Super Ember Dragon? I don't know. Top hat. I know, but it's not rare, so sorry. What the heck? What? These are all Marcia? Oh my god. All the same pets, all the same clothes. Oh my god. Alright, anyway, I'm going to wait for people to train me. Wolf Girl 30 wants to be my buddy. Sure. Oh, I forgot to turn off my buddy though. I usually don't have people being able to buddy because I want them to be. I don't know. Anyway, gotta get some trades. Gotta get 3 more trades and then I'm gonna end the video. Yep. Never gonna happen. Never. Ever. Deep Blue Sea 211. They finally traded me rare pirate bandana and a hat and graduate. Sorry, I'm not sure if that's really worth the spike wristband. Sorry. Oh my god. But I am trying to get people to check out my channel. So, any of you are watching this, tell your friends about me so I can get more subscribers. I really want to get like 40 subscribers. So, please help me achieve that. Oh my god, yes.
What are you gonna run in? What event?
So I just got this really cool collar. Oh, wow. Wow. Alright, sorry about any of the background noise. But I need one more trade. Just one more. But I just got a new spike for a spike I already had. A Zeus spike color. That's really cool. Oh my god. I mean, I guess it's not a huge deal. But I need one more trade. So, after one trade, I'll finally end the video. Alright, as this last trade, Deep Blue Sea 211. Well, they canceled that on their own. So, for our last trade, Wolf Girl 30, trade the rainbow scales for my designer skirt. Sorry, I have to decline. Yeah, so now we're done trading. Okay, so I know that was a long video, so it's now finally time to end it. I really hope you liked the video. Please like and subscribe. and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!